We're celebrating Dr. Seuss' birthday, so we have 6 elementary schools from the Canutillo School District coming to celebrate Dr. Seuss' birthday. It's part also of the Spring Arts Festival. We've been doing this for 20 plus years.
Un caimán con pantalón. Puede leer de mangueras y de cómo leer las rosas.
And the kids enjoy, and for us it's very important because we promote early literacy. They start reading and learning about reading and rhythm like Dr. Seuss like that. We also, during this event, we give them a tour of the campus, so they learn the college-going culture and they get acquaintance and feel good about going around the campus. They also have a small activity, and they have a snack, and the kids enjoy. So we have over 450 kids coming, and hopefully one day there'll be EPCC students here at our campus.